In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log an expense in Odoo Expenses. To get started, open the Expenses app in Odoo. This is where you can create, track, and submit expense records in a clear and organized way. Once you're inside the app, go to My Expenses and click New. To create a fresh expense entry, you'll now see the expense form. Begin by entering a description for the expense. Make this clear and specific so it's easy to recognize later, especially during approval or reporting. A short but meaningful description usually works best. Next, select the appropriate product for the expense. This helps Odoo classify the expense correctly and can also affect how it is recorded in accounting. Be sure to choose the option that best matches what was purchased or paid for. After that, enter the total amount of the expense. Double-check this value before moving on, since even a small typo can affect reimbursement or financial reporting. If the expense was made in a different currency, select the correct currency as needed, so the record reflects the actual transaction accurately. Now set the date of the expense. This should match the date on the receipt or the date the cost was incurred. Keeping the date accurate is important for proper tracking and approval. Then, select the employee associated with the expense. This ensures the expense is assigned to the right person, which is especially important when multiple employees are submitting expenses in the same system. In the reimbursement section, choose employee if the employee paid out of pocket and should be reimbursed. If the company paid directly, select non-company. This setting is important because it determines how the expense will be handled financially. Next, review the account and any included taxes, if applicable. In many cases, these fields may already be filled in based on the selected product, but it's still a good idea to confirm that everything looks correct before submitting. If there's anything else that should be noted, add it in the notes section. This can be helpful for approvals, internal context, or explaining unusual charges. After that, click Attach Receipt to upload the supporting receipt or document. Including the receipt is a best practice because it provides proof of the expense and helps avoid delays during approval. Once everything has been reviewed and all required information is in place, click Submit to send the expense for approval. And that's it! Your expense is now logged in Odoo Expenses and ready for the next step in the approval process.